Now I'll show you the interior and the boot as well. This is the boot. Now I'll show you the interior of the car. There's the steering wheel, cruise control, an indicator, let's check the back camera. That's the back camera. And let's check the radio. Here's the radio station. This is the rear view camera. This is the back seat, front seat. Let's take a look at the boot. There's a huge space at the boot. The space for the wheel. Can cover it up. It's a shiny, beautiful car for daily life, daily use and holiday.